Okay, so this car jumper that I have right over here is absolutely one of my most favorite ones. And the reason why I say so is because I've been using this for about 4 years now and it's been going absolutely phenomenal. Two things I love about this jumper. Number one is that it jumps the car immediately, which I'll show you guys that in a second. But not only does it jump your car, the most coolest thing about this jumper is that if there's a hurricane disaster or anything like that, this is not only is it a jumper, but it's also a power bank. And what I mean by that is that when I open this up right over here, it has USB ports that you could use. So pretty much last year I had a hurricane, the lights went out and there was no, electricity. So what I did was I charged my phones and it charged up all the way to 100%. You can see it comes with a USB-C adapter. Then right over here, it comes with the regular USB adapter as well too. And then right over here, not only that, but when the lights go out as well too, like I told you guys last year what happened, it also works as a flashlight as well too. So if I hold this right over here, you can see how bright this thing is. It lights up the entire home when there's no lights or anything like that. But not only that, you can also make it blink. Then you can make it go flash as well too. It really is extremely cool because not only is it a jumper, you can use it for multi-purposes as well too. But what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna go to the garage and I'm gonna be jumping my car to show you guys how well this thing works. Okay, so here we are in the garage and I'm going to be jumping this car, and this car has been sitting for quite a long time. Not just that, but the battery is also extremely bad and I do have to get this battery replaced as well too. But now I'm going to be jumping this car to show you guys how well this thing performs. Okay, so here is the finished results, and you can see how well this thing cranked and jumped my dead battery that I had. Like I told you guys, this battery needs to be replaced, and you can see the lights right over here, and everything turns on. If I get the keys, it will automatically turn on as well too, the vehicle, despite of the bad battery. And you can see it cranks up a a dead battery. But yeah, I absolutely love this jumper because of the fact not only that, but you could also jumpstart diesel trucks as well too. You could jumpstart trucks, cars, everything. And like I told you guys before, I've been using this for 4 years now. It hasn't given me a single problem. Very easy to use. It comes with a flashlight. If there's a hurricane, it will you have the power bank, it comes inside, built in inside, like I showed you guys. You could charge everything up. But yeah, if you're looking for a jump starter, then I would definitely recommend this one because of the fact that it's very easy to use. It comes with the power bank. You could jump start all cars and diesel trucks. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product.